function, because the function we actually did there was only for play, which will give it the command here to play. So the next we are going to do is for that of the pause. So we can define a function and call it, pause. You can decide to call it anything of your choice. You know your more. So we are going to call that of the mixer. Before you can make use of this of the mixer, you must mixer dot what init. You need to initialize it first. I can initialize it globally, but I want to do it locally, that it will be inside of each of the functions. So I'll make sure that it's getting all the particular music that we want. This mixer is a module. So this one, inside of this of our pygame that we imported, and this is a function that helps to initialize the module that we can get the song that is currently playing. We can pause and then do other things on it. So whenever this mixer, we can just call that of the mixer again. And it's just basically simple. We can say mixer dot what music that we are currently playing. Then I want to what pause the music that we are playing. Just simple as that. We are done for that of the pause. So if I was to put this pause here, let me just call the command. Where is the pause? This is the pause. So I can just call the command, and then I'm set the pause here. So anytime I play and pause this music, is going to pause now. So let me do for other one. Then we can do example and then see how it works out well. So next we are going to do is resume, because if you pause you need to resume. So I can say resuming. I can just say our mixer first, mixer dot what init. So we need to initialize our mixer, and the next we are going to do is what call this of the mixer dot what music dot what on pause. We are going to say on pause. So this is any music that we are currently playing that is being paused. Any music that is being initialized and is being paused. With this help of this mixer, we're able to get that music, and then we can unpause it by making use of this function. So let me copy this and go to where is our resuming. So we can set our command to this resuming. So let's run this and see how far we're able to get. Okay, currently this is what we have here. So let me just click on play. It just takes a little bit of time. Okay, you can see it playing. Eyes in the sky, gazing far. You can see it get paused. Nothing. If I keep on clicking on pause, nothing is going to. If I click on into the night, you can see pause. Resume pause. Resume pause. Can then play new song. The song we are playing is going to be inside of. Going to be displaying of the song that we are currently playing. So we're going to do that in the next video, where we can put for that of the volume and that of the next. So the next is basically going to be like that of the play, but I think the next video after that we're going to wrap up this of our music player. So I'll be happy to see you try the video, and don't forget that subscribing remove anything from your pocket. So I'll be happy to see you in that video. Thank you for watching.